Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're going to show you how we can harvest some poppy seeds. And I've had these lovely purple poppies all on the allotment, and now they've flowered and they've made these seed pods. So let me show you what we're going to do. So the insects are loving the poppies, and they come in various colours and different varieties. So this is my flower display on the allotment with sweet peas and the poppies. And as you can see now, the flowers have made a pretty pod and a lovely shape on the top. But these are still green and they're still forming the pods. So if we look inside the polytunnel, I can see some pods that are ready for harvesting. So these are the poppies that are in the polytunnel, and you can see these are a lot drier and a light tan colour. And if you can see around the outside, there's all these little tiny holes all around the outside. So what we're going to do, we're just going to remove this one. Just going to give it a snip, and we'll take a look and see if we've got some seeds. So if we take a close look, this is the seed head. It's not quite ready. You can see it's green on the top and the pod is still quite green. And if we take a look at the one that's ready for collecting, it's all very brown on top, and we've got all these tiny holes all the way around. Compared to the other one, it's not quite ready yet. So it's quite fascinating. So harvesting the seeds is pretty simple, and all you have to do is just shake. So in the wind, the pod will blow around in the wind and it will scatter all the seeds. And there's absolutely thousands of seeds per pod. This is just one pod. And look at all those seeds. So these can be stored and planted for next year. Just that one pod has got all those seeds. Amazing. So, have you grown any poppies on your garden or on your allotment? And what variety have you grown? That'd be interesting. And have you harvested any poppy seeds? Save them for next year. It's a great way of saving money, having to buy seeds for the following year. So let me know. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. Ring that bell get notifications when I post some more. So, thank you very much. Cheers for now.